Allan Cooper of Cooper Trucking in Southern Maryland has relied on J&J Dump Bodies for decades.
The first one I bought was in 82, 83, something like that.
When Cooper and his son Billy started restoring a 1977 Kenworth, there was no question about who would build the body.
I just had y'all bodies all along, and it seemed like they do a good job for me. That's just one another one.
On a cold and windy Somerset day, Billy gave us a look at Cooper Trucking's newest classic.
It's a 1977. We bought it out of Hagerstown, Maryland, and it was a show truck. It only had 136,000 original miles on it, and we ended up taking it and making it into a dump truck.
Yeah, it was a truck that the guy had it, never used it, so I bought it as a tractor. I was gonna make a tractor out of it, and then my son, he got a lot of work on the side with dump trucks, so I just figured I'd make another dump truck, help him out. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna work it. Yeah, it's work for him. I've had it a couple of years, put new frame rails in it, new rears, new transmission. The cab was new on it, hood was new on it. So it's basically a new truck. I'm really happy. Yeah, it turned out perfect.
Billy Cooper has been using the same J&J body for the past 15 years.
I haven't had any trouble with it, and I use it every day. So we're happy with the products y'all make. Like this, turned out just what we ordered.
Yeah, I'll probably take you to some truck shows down around our place. That's what I'm planning on doing anyhow. No, I'm just happy. That's all.
It's good. It lasts a long time. Like I said, I've been working mine every day since 2005, and I haven't had any trouble with it. Nothing cracking up, or it just stands the test.
It turned out perfect. Yep, it turned out perfect.